Yo, Wagwan, one of the led. So in the last episode, me asked, not the last episode, but the one before, me asked the question, what are four wheels and flies? Obviously the answer is a garbage truck. Why people have put plane? Really? Plane? Let's jump straight into some big up quick and fast. Life of Kevin, big up yourself. Hope Gamer, big up yourself. Daniel Thomas, big up yourself. 𝐷𝐞𝐚𝐦, not the singer, 𝐷𝐞𝐚𝐦, big up yourself. Jaden Grant, big up yourself. 360 JZ, big up yourself. Romario Ratigan, big up yourself. Jelani Dennis, big up yourself. Clive Moncrief, hope I say your name right, big up yourself. Galen Simit, big up yourself, Galen. Caution Edit, big up yourself. RTM Players, big up yourself. King Vankel, big up yourself. J-Bad Entertainment, big up yourself. Last but not least, Jalen Warren, big up yourself. Big up everybody else who got the answer right, but those are just 15. Now they are 15 now. Like, so many people get the answer right, and so many people are pest me for give them shout out. So I have to ramp it up to 15. Maybe it's soon reach at 20, but me not past 20 though. It's too much. Big up the whole round, big up the whole round yourself, big up everybody who got it right. So let's jump into the episode here. Boom. So as you can see from the thumbnail, a war. Not the last episode, I did promise, I did promise them police I gonna get discipline. Look, yo, people. Yo, look here. The police them shoot me. Them try to brutalize me. Them try to bully me. I'm gonna do nothing to them, and I'm not happy about that. I will be making a formal report to the nearest police station, which them are gonna probably try to arrest me. And it no fear like, but me no do nothing. Me can't stop saying me no do nothing, because me never do nothing to them. Alright, so now at the time for discipline them, because them disrespect me last time for nothing, for no reason. So I could just jump down there and just deal with them. So today we are got the police station, and I have a bad man Russian friend them with me. The man in a tech chat, as you can see, gun in a hand. You see me? So we are going on the police station, the main police station, the biggest police station in Los Santos, and we are going to take on the city and mash up every police way in there, and their mother, which is them great grandmother. We're not afraid of people, we don't care. You understand? So them police here, they tell me last time, some say, yo, everybody have to go pay. Me not care. Everything are good on in a wall. Everything are good on in a wall. So like you can see from the thumbnail, a war. I just straight up war. Me don't need no gas in my vehicle. Hold it, yo, hold it. Yeah, keep on the highway. I don't need no gas in my vehicle. Vehicle good, so I could just go straight down there and just start it. Because I send them a message and tell them say, yo, me a forward. Them I say, yo, anytime you're ready forward, we're there. We are the law, we don't care. Alright then. So you don't know, so I have my money. So I spend my money and buy some new guns and getting some people. Miss my turn, but oh well. Quick thing, people, also, if you don't want to see me do a barbecue party in the house I just a forward from, let me know so I can drop that. Also, if you don't want to see me do a barbecue uptown in my next house, let me know so I can deal with that. Yo, right now I'm lawless, you know. I'm reverse for motorway, you know. Lawless, I'm reverse for highway. Yeah. If you want to see some more party but day rave this time, not the night one, let me know. You don't know, so I have more properties where I can put more party in. So let me know. I just barbecue I go have. So let me know in the comment section if you would like to see that. Also, we are planning to go back online soon. So we need to get the crew together so we can start up this thing here. But I could go down to the police station, where we now, Legion Square. But I could go to the station, go show them boy, I say, yo, are we run things? Things don't run we. Oh. Don't crash. Bikey, watch it, man. It's a bad man thing. So see them here. Alright, some police up on shift. Alright, so I could park this right here, so. Jump off of this. See that? You see, that's all you do. That's all you do. I terrorize people. You see it there, you crash. You first I get it. You first I get it. You first I get it. Now station we go for them boy, you know. Forward. Forward troops. Go for them boy, yeah. Who in here? Know on yourself, man. Dog, look like some man them jump out already, dog. Man jump out already. Fuck, he shot at me alone. Man them left me. Alright, now yourself. Me so recruit some more people down in this. Get this. Thank you. Alright, we have some more. We have some more people in the building. The whole of them boy. None of them come in here. None of them come in here. No on yourself. No on yourself. Dog, man, I'm a drop, dog. I make police with pipe gonna machine up. Alright. There by myself. I take the man by myself. As you can see, me well equipped for the war. No on yourself. No on yourself. No on yourself. Take on the wall station. Hold on there. I don't clear downstairs yet. I clear downstairs. Come in, brother. I clear downstairs and see what them boy are up to. Anybody down here get it? Anybody nice sell? Anybody nice sell down here? Alright then, cool. Alright, cool. Come in, man. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Come on, go upstairs for them boy here. Them boy must think today. And them run things, boy. Yeah. I show them say how we run things. No on yourself. No on yourself. Go on there. Go on there. Swatter forward. Watch it. Know yourself. Know yourself. Discipline. Discipline. You change my gun. Discipline them boy. More and more. Now pressure them like red peas, man. Pressure them. Pressure them. Pressure them. Pressure them. Don't trouble. Don't, hold on, man. Change my gun again, man. Pressure them like red peas. Red peas, you know. Red peas, you know. Gungo peas, you know. Dry peas, you know. Pressure them, man. Pressure them, man. Cow foot, you know, man. Pressure them, man. Go on, say. Go on, say. Go on, say. Get cover. You better go and go get cover. Watch it, man. Know yourself. Anybody else there? Oh, shot, man. I'm going to drop like flies, dog. Scumbag. Hold that. Hold that. Hold that. Hold that. When you come stop me and I want to kill me, let me kill after whole hour, man. Every last one hour are dead. Hold on, the man. You don't think I saw it go? You don't think I saw this go? You don't think I saw this go? Stage 2 in my badness now, man. Turn up stage 2 in my badness, man. What I say? Get on yourself together. Get on yourself together. How much on the left round there? Yo, call the troops, brother. Call the troops. Alright, troops there. Troops are drop door. No, not going down, man. Watch it. Go on yourself. Take over. Take this over. What I say? What I say? Go on, say. Where are the desert? Get up. And desert. Come on, sir. No forward, man. No forward, but yeah, man. No forward. Go upstairs and have the upper hand on them boy. Yeah. Let them boy know say you're no ramp with the thing. You see me? No ramp with the thing. Then get me cross that the thing will kill Jesus Christ. On to them boy. Yeah. Like come style, man, and come stop, man, and try to shoot, man. Before no find out what I go on. After me I chill out, good. When I try come this, man. One of there. But then there in the station. Alright, unforward up here, man. Unforward up here. We have something for no, man. Not and watch it. No self. Take on this like how we won it. Take on this like how we won this, man. 5 star. Come to no, what I say? No police car off downstairs. Watch it. Take yourself. What I say? You say no bad? I'm gonna show no bad. I'm gonna show no how badness go. Yeah, man. I'm gonna come to no dead. Know on yourself. I ramp with the camp. What I'm to no? What I deal with? What you do? Hey, boy. Discipline. We're not taking no bad up from now again. We're not bad. We're not. Oh! No way to run? No way to run? Hold on. Go on yourself. They attack from around us now. There is a look for me. I don't think a peace and safety. A sudden destruction. Go on yourself. Stay down. Sudden destruction. Sudden destruction. No. Go back upstairs. Go back upstairs. Think of peace and safety. A sudden destruction, Pauno. Who not ramp with? Know on yourself. Know on yourself. War time. Afraid of no? Wrong man, no. Hey boy. You a boy. Know yourself. You know how this my boss? 50 caliber. Oh, and have a banana clip. Banana chain. You see it? Yes man. See them there? Deal with them man. Deal with them man. Deal with them man. Deal with them. What do you feel like? What do you feel like? What do you feel like? That more what do you feel like? Drop off first a while ago, I'm not drop off again. Know on yourself. What I say? Who from side of my car? Hey boy. Hold on, man. Who from side of my car? From side of my car, boy. Oh, you're lucky, you know. I'm gonna take him down, I'm gonna take him down. Yeah, man. Mash him up, man. Mash him up. I feel like some of our friends in high places. Yeah? I feel like some of our friends in high places. So 5-star this, we need to get the 5-star and escape from them boy. Yeah. More chopper come? Wrong thing. Wrong thing, daddy. Wrong thing. Name that. Miss? Miss? Hold that. Now ramp to the camp. In the field. Yeah man, chopper gun man, boof. Chopper gun buff. You can't save them police here. Know yourself. I have friends in high places. Look there. Eh? The US Marine is with me. What I say? What I say? Now you know some man a dog boy. Yeah. What I say? Know yourself, dog. Yeah. What do you feel like? A pram push thing this. Things you in mind more catch a puppy by him to this. Tell us that but it promise you say we're not gonna get discipline enough. We'll never believe. We'll never believe. Front side of my car. Come on my car. Move. 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 Officer, idiot, officer. Watch yourself. Stay down. Stay down. Where I go? You want to serve? I'm gonna ramp with. Eh? I'm gonna really stop with. You nasty boy. Hmm? Done them man, done them man, done them the ratty. Ratty, done them man. Afraid of boy? You're not afraid of boy man. I'm told man, enough how we are drop, but I saw it go. Enough how we are drop, but I saw it go. A war, we are war. Fittest of the fittest survive. No self. What do you feel like? What do you feel like? What do you feel like? What do you go like want this man? This man? Shoot up on a dirty vehicle. Helicopter, let's take him out. No self. No self. No self. Yeah? Alright, now yourself. Reload. See that? Hookah. Holy hookah. Yeah man, hold a hookah. Alright, know yourself. Know yourself. Know yourself. Yes, cheer the bad discipline on there now. Powerful gunman are using now. You think? No self. You from side of my car. No self. No self. Oh, sorry dog. You good? Medic, sort him out. What not deal it? What do you feel like? What do you feel like? Who next? Who next? Who next? I tell you no. I tell you no. I tell you no. Tell you no. What if it's a joke, man, I make? Eh? What are the runners? Hiding? No hiding. No, who else? One more runner, where am there? See him there? Where runner go? Eh? Where ya? Oi? Where ya? Oi? Where ya runner go? Where ya runner go?
Officer down!
Yeah, man, make him stay down, man. Down if he stay, not up. I don't feel like. I don't feel like.
Move your head!
I don't feel like. 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 Helicopter, yeah. Take them out, take them out, take them out, take them out, take them out. Take them out. Take them out. What do you feel like? You telling you, you know. People may also have a wriggle. In that one your phone to. Make sure you stay true to the one here. You understand? Remember hashtag when we want to know hashtag to see if you reach far in the video. Too. Yeah. Discipline me and discipline them boy your phone. No ramp with me. And time you see me a road. No ramp with me. I not trouble people, so I want to do trouble with them. You never know. They telling them I got discipline in them. Who you? Who you? Who you? Who you? Who you? Who you? Eh? One call lose all. You want all I power them and lose all of your one them. Who next? Cover. A sheet. A sheet pan bed. Where you say cover or forward? Forward for this. That's something for you. Present, Christmas, Boxing Day, New Year's, Christmas Eve, Boxing Day. See ya? Present, 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 present. Yes, man. If it's Christmas Eve, Boxing Day, Christmas, then we reach on your order. What I say? What I say? What I say? You want to play with it, Dan? Eh? What I say? What I feel like? Telling you, you know. Telling you to ramp with the daddy now. Telling you to ramp with the daddy now. Ah. This is from our fallen soldiers. We may so know. Fallen soldier them. Oh, we are gonna pull it. Youth. Rank here. You got carry from us. Blow up the rank here. You see it? Rank here. Rank here. You see? Oh, walk on. You good? Rank here. Rank here. Let me say, rank here. Know yourself, man. Oi, you come around there. Move from yourself. Know yourself, boy. I don't feel like. I'm afraid I don't know. Yo, let me call in the Russian map them. Call in the Russian them. See Russian them, yeah? See Russian them? Russian them ready. Russian them ready like Freddy. Yes, man. Russian them ready, man. Russian them ready, man. Russian them ready. What I say? Ramp with the Russian them. Ready for mash up or not. Know yourself, man. Who next? Helicopter there, right there. See it, I'm not see it. See that? Know yourself. Know yourself. Ah! Come on, man. No. I'm not keep do that. Shoot them down. Shoot them down.
Don't move!
Shoot them down. As him land, you drop him. As him land, drop him.
I gotta finish this! He's gonna teach you a lesson.
As in land, kill him. Russian, back on. As in land, drop them Russian. Know them boy, know themselves. Them know themselves, man. Do my ramp with. Know yourself, man. Know yourself. Feel like. Ramp pushing this. Think I play a thing. Eh? But they telling me I got discipline in it. You know what take me serious? Eh? What I say now? Feel like we're police in the city, man. Alright, nobody come chop out nobody else now. Chop out. Don't put on the rope down yourself. Move, doing yourself. Where? One side. Where you go? No, come boy. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Gunshot him. Gunshot him. Gunshot him. Turn back. Turn back, boy. Turn back. Turn back. Come here. Turn back. Turn back. Turn back. Where? Disappear. A thief in the night. No, hey boy. Watch it. I'm gonna say. Before the land no dead. Before no fire one shot no dead. You want no self, man. Bad like me? Eh? Bad like me? Oh. No, not round here, not round here, not round here. Not round here, not round here, not round here. Watch it. No self. What do you feel like? Police station take over. Police station take over. Turn back. Turn back. Turn back. Turn back. Let me say it though. Turn back, boy. Gunshot picture your little body. Know yourself. Who send you? Hey boy. Shoot the buffalo there. Yeah man. Spin them out of control, man. This is for your own good. Yeah man. Mash up. Mash out. Splash in, dash in. Know yourself. Where you run go with a little pipe? A big gun man a bust up here and a boy. What do you feel like? What do you feel like? What do you feel like? Gonna get me cross, man. Wanna come stop me and try to kill me for no reason? I kill off the whole of uno. The whole of uno dead. The whole of uno dead. What? What you say? What you say? What you say? What you say? Shoot the buffalo. Don't come down here now. No on yourself. Don't come down here. Come down, man. See there? Drop. You're dead. Dead now. Dead now. Oi. Alright, hold on. Drop your big gun. Drop your big ass. Drop your big ass and I'm thing ass. Beg me for it, kind of. Know yourself, boy. Know yourself. Know yourself, boy. Hey, boy. What you say? Know yourself. Take out all out now. Mash up on one man. Watch it. Watch it, man. What I say? What I say? I'm not ramp with. I'm not deal it. I'm not ramp with. Eh? What do you feel like? Hey, don't let nobody else out. Don't let nobody else out. Know yourself. What do you feel like? What do you feel like? Eh? Warman coming at Jordan. Look there. Jordan pan feet. Brand new Jordan pan feet. Boy, I get defeat. You see it? Yeah, dog. Who the hell this one? Oh. Who wanted? Push up on your head. I'm two now. Telling us that I ramp with me now. Gonna stop me? All good. Oh, rush it down this after them. Rush it means business. Rush it down there, boy. Watch it, you. No self. Oi. What that? No self. What I say? What I say, boy? What I say? Alright, come here, make a letter place now. Escape from them fool ya. Come here, my G. What G do? Dead? G dead in battle, people. Dead in battle. Escape them boy now. 5-star and escape. No on yourself. No falling soldier them boy now. Look them man. Clear this. Clear the what is in that shoot? Clear in here. But they have left in here. Clear. Body make the door now. Clear in here. 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 Whoa. Clear in here. Clear in here. Bodyguard him dead. Alright, bodyguard him dead. Left them boy out. Eat my shots. Eat my shots. I'm two now. Don't rampant. Don't rampant. Land them man. Showing us enough a ramp with the G. I'm gonna play with people. I'm gonna play with people. So now anyone who see me now, you can put up on your hand and say, yeah. Lucky son never dead. Watch it and know yourself. Know yourself, boy. Know yourself. Go back in the water, boy. Know yourself. Know yourself. Who run the world? Me. Who run the world? Me. I deal it. Long in here, sir. Long in here, some man gone left them boy. No self. No self. I feel like. I don't feel like. I don't feel like. Can diss me? I'm gonna diss on the back. Eh? We don't take this from people. Right now I'm cross, hungry, I'm miserable. Ask about to kill everything a joke. No self, boy. No self. Me run this. This no run me. No self. No self. Blood my bad. Blood my bad. Feel like. Think man I take this rap from you, no? Lose 5 star. I'm told no. Tell you no, you know. Tell you no, you know. Tell them to say 100 and 1 I want to drop, you know. Like 1,000 and 1 I want to drop, you know. Don't go there, don't go there. What about that look for me? Don't come on there, don't come on there. Don't go there. Yeah, alright, ease up, person. See this, huh? See this, huh? Oh, God, let me come. You know something, I'm afraid of him though. I'm afraid of him. One boy, I can take him on easy. Mash up him, Dula Mangala. Where him there? Here I go. Here I go. Back up well. Where I go? Watch it. What I say? What I say? What I say? No self or what? What I say? All my Benz boy, them take me above them place so long. And I want to free up my Benz. I don't feel like. I don't feel like. I don't feel like. I don't feel like. No self, man. Oh! Hey, boy. What you doing there? My place. My place. My place. My place this. Don't go back. Don't go back, feet. Don't go back, feet. Run, properly. Run. I jump in. Oh, self, man. No self. No self. I don't feel like on a bad. Feel like on a bad like me. I'm telling yourself you know on yourself, you know. Telling them no on yourself, dog. Lose them. Lose them, fool ya. Boy, them bad like me. Bad like me. People for not enjoy them episode, yeah, please leave a like on the video. And let me know. Give me any ideas you know what me do. Yes, people say play different games, but me no want to play the Fortnite and them PUBG game there. No, not my style. If you know want me play some Need for Speed, me can download some Need for Speed and play some Need for Speed. Or me can play some Call of Duty story mode. Warzone story mode. Let me know if you don't want some of them video there. Some Warzone story mode. You see me? Yeah. So me can purchase the full game and just play some Warzone story mode for Huno. Because I Huno me a entertain. You understand? Huno me a entertain. You see me? Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man. Alright. Lose the police them now. Alright, okay, left that place here. Oi, Babylon boy. Babylon boy, your friend them left here? Hey, you're fool. You understand? Alright, but just reach in my yard here now. Just lose the cops them in my yard. Right. Back up this here, so. War, man. War, me did the war. You understand? How we me gun? Because them boy can't come in my yard. You see it? Yes, man. Look at me, look. Still intact. You see me? Still intact. Police them out of me gate, but I'm in a business. Man, a bad man. Man, bad long time. Ask the public if you think a joke. Oh, shut a bus. Police on Palm Beach. Oh, them gone. Alright. The regel for today is... if you're there 100 miles away from your house and you drive 50 miles per hour to get home, how long it gonna take you to reach home? If you're there 100 miles away from your yard and you drive 50 miles per hour for reach home, how long it going to take you for reach home? Leave the answer there down in the comment section there for me. And also, let me know if you want me to do a barbecue, yes sir. Another house here or barbecue up on the hilltop house. One next house when I have my original house, but the one on the hilltop. Let me know if you want me to do a backyard barbecue there sir. That house is big enough and nice enough to do a barbecue and the next one too. So leave that in the comment section. Also, hashtag police. If you get this far in the video, hashtag police. See it on the screen right now. Hashtag police. You understand? Yeah. Your boy is here. Don't know. Thank you for watching another episode of Real Life Mod with your boy JWG Nation. Thanks for the support, everybody. So I will see you one time. Me say no. You understand? Alright. Peace.